Good morning. How are you today?
I'm very good.
If I say hi, can you guys say hello for me?
Yeah.
Yes. Okay. Hi.
Hello.
Hi. Hello.
Hello.
Hi. Okay. Good job. Thank you guys for attending today's conference, and we have an exciting session ahead of us today. But before we start our conference today, let me introduce myself. My name is Nadia Dikurniawati as the moderator for today's conference sessions. So let me tell you the rundown from today's sessions. So the first, we will begin with a presentation on the marketing strategies product. And I would like to introduce Mrs. Neville and Ms. Ratna as the owner of Girly Cosmetic as the speaker for today's conference. Then, follow with Q&A session. Then, the end, we will conclude with a summary and closing remarks. Ms. Neville and Ms. Ratna, the floor is yours. So, how are you today, Ms. Neville and Ms. Ratna?
I'm good. How about you?
I'm fine and feeling so happy to meet everyone in here.
Okay, so good. Please tell us about Ms. And Ms. Neville and Ms. Ratna, can you tell us what is your impression today to becoming a speaker on this conference session?
Of course, we're so feeling excited about today about to give a subject for guys in here about marketing strategy product that we apply on our product, which is Girly Cosmetic.
Okay.
I just can't wait to tell everyone about our marketing strategy.
Okay, that's nice. So, Ms. Neville and Ms. Ratna, are you ready for your presentation for today's conference?
Sure.
Okay, so guys, without any further ado, Ms. Ratna and Ms. Neville, you can take the floor to give your presentation for today's conference.
Alright, thank you very much.
Okay.
Alright, everyone. Good morning.
Morning.
Alright. For today, I would like to give a subject about marketing strategy product that we apply on our product, which is Girly Cosmetic.
Girly Cosmetic itself is a company that comes out with a few types of product, which is skincare, body care, makeup, and the others.
And before we start, I would like to introduce ourselves. So my name is Nabila Naura Andari. I was the owner from Girly Cosmetic, and this is my partner, Ratna Olivia, and she is also the part from the Girly Cosmetic owner.
In chapter 1, I will tell you about importance of marketing. In here, I already prepared for you a lot of some of questions. Why marketing is dynamic? Changing consumer preference, technological advancements, and economic conditions constantly impact marketing strategies. Okay, my partner will continue this presentation. Please welcome Nafil.
Alright, thank you so much. So next, I will talk about the place for the distribution. For the first online distribution channel, we use an e-commercial website, social media stores, online beauty and skincare retails. For the offline distribution channel, we use a department stores and mall, especially beauty store. And for the next, influencer and affiliate marketing. We see social media influencer beauty bloggers and YouTubers who have a loyal following to the promote Girly Cosmetic Day Cream and Eye Cream will help generate awareness Alright, we finally reached the end from our presentation and
Thank you so much for your attention, and I hope the presentation will help you guys and hope you guys understand for our presentation.
Okay, that was really an outstanding presentation. Give applause to Miss Nabil and Miss Ratna. Okay, so now we have reached the Q&A session, and for all participants that have question, please raise your hands. Okay, the participant with a pink shirt, Miss, you can ask your question first, okay? But first tell me your name first and then ask your question.
Okay, thank you for the change. Before I ask a question, let me introduce myself. My name is Fiona Stia Gray Emerald from University of Jember. Okay, I wanna ask question. In the presentation earlier, it mentioned the 4P of marketing product: price, place, and promotion. Which one do you think is the most important? I mean, can a business succeed if they only focus on product?
Okay, because there is still a lot of time. Does anyone have any more question? Okay, Miss, you can tell your name first, then you can ask your questions.
Okay, thank you. My name is Farah. My question is, was mentioned earlier that there is a promotion that's mentioned creating and running advertisement. What if to use influencer? How to important is the role of influencer in skincare marketing strategies?
Okay, one question left for this termination. So, any participant who want to ask questions?
Me. Okay, thank you. My name is Fasya Karina Ramadhani. My question is, what strategies do skincare brands typically use to attract customers in a competitive market?
Okay, thank you so much for participants that asking the question. That was such a nice questions. So, for Miss Nafil and Ratna, both can answer the question.
Okay, I would like to answer Miss Fiona's question first. Well, I think product is the most important. If you don't have the product, there's nothing to sell, right? So businesses can probably succeed by just having a great product. Even if the other 4Ps is that strong.
I don't think that's entirely correct. I remember from the slide that the 4P are part of marketing mix. They're all interconnected and equally important. For example, even if you have a best product in the world, if your price is too high, no one will buy it. Or if it's not available in the right places, your customer won't even buy it.
oh, so that you were saying that it is not just about having a good product, but also making sure the price is competitive, easy to find, and people actually know about it through the promotion. Is that so?
Exactly. Marketing is about balance. Think about the iPhone example in the presentation. It's not just the phone itself that sells. Apple set the price carefully, sells it in the specific location like retail stores and online, and use massive advertising campaign to promote it.
That makes a lot of sense. I guess we oversimplify it. The 4Ps are all crucial, and ignoring any of them could hurt the whole strategy of the marketing. Thanks for clearing that up. I'll definitely keep that in mind.
So I think the influencers have their ability to reach a wide audience, which build some trust Through the authentic and relevant content, research is showing that also influencer marketing can provide a higher return and investment. And compared to the traditional marketing methods, it helps create a positive image for the brand.
Oh, so they really have a significant impact on how to choose TikToker, celebgar, or similar the right influencer for brand.
You should select influencers who have a good reputation and recognized by their followers. The credibility will affect how much influence they have on purchasing decisions. It's also important to look at the content they have created in the past.
Got it, thank you. That answered my question well. Thank you, ma'am.
Skincare brands often use a combination of digital marketing strategies such as social media campaigns, influencer partnerships, and the targeted advertisements. They highlight unique selling points like natural ingredients, cruelty-free testing, or innovative technology. Additionally, they engage customers through loyalty programs, personalized recommendation, and user-generated content to build trust and community around the product.
How do brands address the challenge of maintaining customer loyalty in the skincare industry?
Alright, I answered that question. And for maintaining customer loyalty requires consistency in product quality and effective communication. And also, brands often use email marketing and exclusive promotion to keep customer engaged. Another common approach is offering subscription service for every convenience or introducing limited edition product to create a sense of urgency. Educating customer about proper skincare routines and demonstrating how their product fit into those routines also foster a loyalty of establishing the brand as a trusted authority.
Thank you for the answer given.
Thank you so much for Miss Nabil and Miss Ratna for your time, and thank you so much for the material that you have been presentation for today's conference. That was really such an amazing material for us, and I hope from the presentation that you have held before will give us a valuable in the next future. Okay.
Yes, of course.
So, Ms. Nabil and Ms. Ratna, there is any comment?
No, I think we both is enough.
Okay, I think that's enough too. Okay, thank you so much for participants that have. Thank you for all participants that for your enthusiasm for this conference, and I hope with this conference can make us more improve our
For the future.
Okay, right. So give big applause for the Miss Nabil and Miss Ratna.